Hello everyone, I'm Zhang Yueshan, the host today. Right now, I'm standing on the world's largest mining machinery equipment and truck, the XE440. What kind of factory produces such kind of enormous, impressive, and amazing advanced technology equipment? Today, I'm gonna take you on a tour of the XCMG mining machinery smart factory to find out why. Of the XCMG mining machinery base, and along this road you can see all of these equipments, just like the excavators and the truck. Actually, on that way you can see all of these truck and excavators are on the testing. Normally we have a lot of equipment buyers from all over the world, just like South Africa, Indonesia, and other like South African countries like Chile. All of these buyers are satisfied with our quality and efficiency, as well as our availability of our trucks and excavators. And now here we are. I'm now at the XCMG mining machinery smart factory, and I hope that we can take you a lot of things that you never know before. Now let's go to find out all of the details of our smart factory. And here, this is our gate and the factory for the smart management. And when you enter into this space, you feel that everything is tidy and clean because we have conducted this systematic and the computer managed system, which means that all of these equipments, components, as well as the spare parts are controlled and managed by the computer. And also you could tell that the environment here is very clean because the XCMG mining machinery pays much attention to the security and safety of our staff and working members. Meanwhile, you could see that all of these spaces are very spacious and enough to accommodating all of these components and assembling spare parts, which means that we have this beautiful and comfortable space for all of the workers and personnel. Here you could see that all of this stuff are well arranged and well lined because we have this kind of the systematic management in our company. XCMG now is setting the new benchmark for high quality and efficiency in the mining factory introduction. So XCMG strives to transform and upgrade for 5 key areas: the high-end manufacturing, the intelligence, the sustainability, and service orientation and internationalization. Also, we know that by constantly enhancing its core competitiveness and also striving forward, the XCMG is committing and contributing its wisdom and strengths to drive the high-quality development in China's mining factory industry.